Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. This time it's gonna be my May Beauty Box subscription. Here is the bag for May, which is very cute. It's a rose gold tone, very pretty and ideal to keep your eyeliners because of the shade of this. And also we have the card in here, which is this one for this month, as usual with the $5 coupon, and we have 6 products in here. So let's go ahead and see what's in this bag. As I say, I like the bag, it's really pretty, and all the products are coming in this pink paper. And let's see what are those. First thing that I see in here, it's a Tarte product, is this one. And this one is Park Ave Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. I'm not gonna open this one because I have this one already, and I'm gonna put this one in the... I have next to me a bag for items that I wanna have in my giveaways. I will put this one there because it's not worth it to stay in my collection and get old. So this one goes to the giveaway bag, and this one in a full size is $30. Then we have in here, we have this nude stick, and this is all over face, color, highlight and glow for lip, eye and cheeks. Is this tiny one, and this one looks like this. Let's see what this one how this one looks. And actually it's not much to see, but it's a pretty light shade in a pink tone, I would say. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this one right here. It's a color that I like. I don't like those very pigmented highlighters, and this seems to be a pretty one, and this one is $30. Then we have in here a perfume sample, which is from Dolce & Gabbana in the garden scent. I didn't try this one yet, it's new to me. A full size of this is, it says here light, fresh, will transport you to a garden of flowers. 1 ounce, the smallest size, it's $76, which is not cheap at all for just 1 ounce. 1.6 ounces are $94, and 2.5 ounces are $118. So not cheap. We'll see this in the samples of the week. Then we have 3 more products in here. One of them is from Dermablend. This is Glow Your Own Way New Glow Creator, and this one in a full size is $33. I see a very tiny sample here, which looks like this. And let's see how this guy looks. It's a liquid, and I'm not quite a fan of liquid highlighters. Is this one, or illuminators. It does blend very well and easy. Is this one right here, and to me it doesn't seem like you can wear this with any makeup. So was the Dermablend one, which I said it's $33. Okay. And the next product in here, I see an item from 8 Cosmetics. This is a product that comes so often in boxings. Almost everybody sends one of these, all the subscriptions. This is 8 Cosmetics Brow Power, is Universal Brow Pencil, and this one is in the shade Universal Taupe. Is this one. I'm not gonna open it because I have many of them, and I'll leave this one aside for giveaways also. And the last item in my bag, it's a mascara from Benefit. This is the Bad Girl Bang. is this one, and I'll show you the size of this. I heard many things about this one, but I never try it. I know I had one of these in giveaways, and I'm gonna keep this one just to see how that one works. So that's all in my my box from Macy's this for this month, for May. So far, the 8 cosmetics pencil, brow pencil. Then we have Tarte bronzer. We have Benefit mascara, Derma blend. This is called New Glow Creator, a Dolce & Gabbana perfume, and a highlighter from Nude Sticks. So far, what I like the most in this month is probably the Tarte bronzer and the mascara. We'll see how are the rest of them. This is all in my box. Let me know what you think about May for this month. I will see you guys very soon with my Ipsy, which just came today, and I'm not very happy with that at all because I saw the spoilers and I'm quite mad. So here is the bag for May, really pretty rose gold color. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys very soon for me. You have a great day. Bye bye.